So now we've created a shape within our composition. So within Batman, I've got one rectangle within a shape layer. So let's rename that layer. So if I hit enter, let's call this box. Now within the shape layer, let's have a look in. So if I click on this little button here, this little this little triangle here, and as you can see, if I scroll down, I've got content and then I've got transform. So let's have a look in the contents. In the contents, I've got rectangle 1, so that's the rectangle here. Now, if I want to create another shape, there are two ways about doing this. I can create it within the same layer, or I can create a new layer with its own rectangle in. So, how I create a shape within another shape within a shape layer, let's just make sure the layer is selected, and then if I draw another rectangle, as you can see here, I've now got two rectangles within one layer. Now most of the time you do not want to do this. So if I press Command and Z or Control and Z if it's a PC, and let's go back. Now let's create another box in a totally separate layer. So I'm going to make sure that I've clicked off this. As you can see, it's selected, and then if I click here, it's not selected anymore. Now I can draw another box. And if I hold on Shift, if I change the fill, and if I move the anchor point, so if I press Y or I click up here, and once again, I don't want that little one, I want to go into the actual shape layer, and then I can move the anchor point, making sure that snapping is on, and then I can snap it to the center again. And let's rename this layer box blue. So I hit enter, and then I can type in and rename my layer. So now I've got two separate layers, each with one thing in the content. So contents 1 and contents, both of them have a rectangle in their contents. And that's it.